Solitaire cache video ads can freeze before the reward, or continue loading without actually starting. And the quickest fix is usually to restart the app and check whether the problem affects every ad or only one session. By the end, you'll know which phone settings to check, how to refresh Solitaire cache without immediately reinstalling it, and what to do if the ads remain frozen. Start by completely closing Solitaire cache. Open your recent app screen, swipe Solitaire cache away, and then launch it again. This clears the current app session and can fix an ad that became stuck while loading. Next, check your internet connection. Video ads need a stable connection to load correctly, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and test the ad again. If the ad works on one connection but not the other, the connection is more likely to be causing the problem than the Solitaire cache game itself. If you use a VPN, temporarily disconnect it and reopen Solitaire cache. VPN routing can change how an app connects to advertising services, so testing without the VPN helps identify whether it is interfering with the ad die. Also check whether you have an ad blocking feature enabled. This can include an ad blocking app, a private DNS service, or a browser-level filtering feature. If you recently changed one of these settings, temporarily disable it and test Solitaire cache again. On Android, clear the Solitaire cache. Open Settings. Go to Apps, select Solitaire cache, open Storage or Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without using the more destructive Clear Data option. On iPhone, there is no equivalent system-wide Clear Cache button for individual apps. Instead, close Solitaire cache, restart the iPhone, and check the App Store for an available Solitaire cache update. The next step is checking for an app update on either Android or iPhone. Open Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Solitaire cache, and install an available update before testing another video ad die. If only one particular advertisement freezes while other ads work normally, the problem may be with that individual ad rather than your phone. Test another available reward or ad opportunity instead of repeatedly reopening the same frozen screen. If every video ad freezes, even after changing networks, restarting the app, and installing the latest update, avoid repeatedly tapping the frozen ad. Close Solitaire cache and restart the device before trying again. So the practical order is: force close Solitaire cache, test another internet connection, disable VPN or ad blocking features, temporarily clear the Android cache, if applicable, update the app, and restart the phone. Start with the connection and app restart because those checks take the least time. If this fixed your Solitaire cache video ads, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.